Everybody, good day. First of all, take my salam. I hope that all of you are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Hi, friend. How are you?
I'm also fine. And you? Have a seat.
I'm fine. Yet.
Can
I'm
I
also
question?
fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Can I question to you some words?
Why not? Of course.
So let's get started. বার বা দিন,
Day.
শনিবার,
Saturday.
রবিবার,
Sunday.
সোমবার,
Monday.
মঙ্গলবার,
Tuesday.
বুধবার,
Wednesday.
বৃহস্পতিবার,
Thursday.
শুক্রবার,
Friday.
আজ,
Today.
আগামীকাল,
Tomorrow.
গতকাল,
Yesterday.
পূর্বদিন,
Previous day.
পরের দিন,
Next day.
আগামী পরশু,
every other day.
গত পরশু, day before yesterday,
Day after tomorrow, day before yesterday.
একদিন পর পর,
Every other day.
3 দিন পর পর,
Every third day.
প্রভাত,
Daybreak. Thanks to all everybody. Pray for me. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.
take your gift.
Thanks.